Good morning, student. First question, it's saying if x minus 1 over 3 equal k and k equals 3, what is the value of x? So first of all, if k equals 3, that means I have to rewrite again this equation. So I'm going to say x minus 1 over 3 equal to 3. Now, to find the value of x, that means I need to solve the equation. To solve the equation, I need to isolate this x to find. So to isolate x, I can write with the same thing, x minus 1 over 3. And to isolate x, you can see that I can multiply this side by 3. So I will have the option to simplify 3 with 3. But what I'm doing at the left side, I have to do it at the right side. So I need to multiply the right side again by 3. With this way, I can simplify the 3 with the 3. So I will have x minus 1 equal 9. Again, to isolate x, I need to do a small change. If this is x minus 1, why I don't have to add 1 to isolate the x? But whatever I'm doing at the left side, I have to do it at the right side. So I was adding plus 1. That means I need to add plus 1 to the right side. So now, when I'm doing that, I say negative 1 plus 1. That means equal x. And 9 plus 1 equal 10. So that means the value of x equal 10. So the choice D is the right one. Next, I have another question here. It's saying x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared in bracket minus, and this another expression. Now it's saying which of the following is equivalent to the algebraic expression above. So whatever I have to do here, since I have a subtraction, this subtraction I have to distribute it for each term inside the second bracket. So, which means I'm going to repeat the same thing, and I don't need the bracket now. I repeat the first thing, x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. I repeat it as it is. Now it's the time to distribute this negative inside the second bracket. Negative times negative equal positive right away. X squared y. Negative times positive equal negative. 3xy squared. And after that, negative times negative equal positive. 3y squared. You will notice something very important here. When I'm distributing this negative sign, it's changed the sign of each term in the second bracket. So the negative became positive. After that, the positive became negative. And after that, the negative became positive. This is the effect of the negative sign. Now it's time to combine the like terms. Combine the like terms, that means I have to see each term if there is a like term of it. So x squared y, do I have another x squared y? Yes, actually I have x squared y here, and that's it. So if I have 1x squared y plus 1x squared y, it can give me 2x squared y. After that, I need y squared. Do I have like terms for y squared? I will check. Yes, actually I have another one here. Positive 3 and negative 3, they cancel each other. Okay, so I finish with these two, and I finish with the y squared. After that, xy squared. xy squared. Do I have another xy squared? Yes, I have here. I have 5 positive and negative 3. That means I have positive 2xy squared. And when I finish, I can do the sign to make sure that I don't have anything left. So 2x squared y plus 2xy squared. So if I check, I will see the number C, 2x squared y plus 2xy squared is the right answer. The third question, it's saying if a over b equal to, what is the value of 4b over a? You will see something here, maybe it's confusing a little bit. I have the value of a over b equal to, but here I have 4b over a. So since they need the value of 4b over a, that means they need 4 times b over a. But unfortunately I have a over b, so why I don't transfer it to b over a? Since I have a over b equal 2, that means what? That means it's like something like 2 over 1. So now when I flip or I verify the reciprocal of a over b, it's going to be b over a. That means 1 over 2. Very simple. So the reciprocal of 2 is half. So that means equal 4 times b over a, which is 1 over 2. I can simplify the 4 with the 2. It will give me 2. So that means the value is 2. So number C is the correct one. Thank you for your attention.